With over 20 years of experience, Huayang Steel Pipe proudly exports more than 2.5 million tons of top-quality steel pipes every year, making a significant impact on the construction of infrastructure around the globe. As one of China's most trusted manufacturers of high-frequency welded pipes, LSAW, and piling pipes, we combine cutting-edge technology and strict quality control to deliver reliable, high-performance products across various industries. Our 670,000 square meters state-of-the-art production facility supports an annual capacity of over 2.5 million tons, meeting the needs of construction, infrastructure, and engineering projects worldwide. All of our products meet international standards like ASTM A252, ensuring exceptional durability and reliability even in the most challenging applications. Every year, Huayang participates in numerous international trade events. The most recent exhibition we participated in was the Egypt Energy Show on February 17th to 19th. At the event, we showcased our latest steel pipe solutions and discussed how we can meet your specific project requirements. For high-quality steel pipes that are essential to your construction, infrastructure, or engineering projects, Huayang Steel Pipe is the reliable partner you can count on. Get in touch with us today to learn how we can support your next project.